Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Yesterday we have discussed some types of functions. For example, identity function, constant function, modulus function, greatest integer function. Now we discuss some other types of the functions. I repeat, greatest integer function again. Greatest integer function. A function f from R to R means real number, is said to be greatest integer function if f of x is equal to greatest integer of x. This is the notation to denote greatest integer of x. And greatest integer of x is always less than equal to x. Is always less than equal to x. इसकी वैल्यू बेटा हमेशा x से लेस या इक्वल रहेगी. नाउ ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर, ग्रेटेस्ट मीन्स सबसे बड़ा इंटीजर. जैसे देखिए बेटा, दिस इज द नंबर लाइन, दिस इज द नंबर लाइन. इफ वी टेक 0.2 and we have to find greatest integer of this number. What is the greatest integer in this number? Then this number can be written as 0 plus 0.2. 0 plus a 0.2. Here, this is the fraction part and this is the integer. Therefore, answer of this number is 0. Answer of this number is a 0. We can say that in 0.2, the greatest integer is only 0. Now we take 1.95. 1.95. In this number, only 1 is the integer. But only 1 is the integer and 0.95 is the fraction part. फ्रैक्शन पार्ट को आप लेफ्ट करते हैं तो आपके पास इंटीजर आ जाएगा. देयरफॉर 1.95 का ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर ऑफ 1.95 इज 1. ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर ऑफ 2 इज itself integer. 2 is itself integer. Therefore greatest integer of 2 is 2. Greatest integer of 2.7 is also 2. Greatest integer of 2.8 is also 2. Greatest integer of 2.999 is also 2. So we can say that if a number lies between 2 and 3, or we can say that if a number is greater than equal to 2 and less than 3, then the greatest integer of all the numbers between 2 and 3 is 2. 3 को कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे इसमें, because greatest integer of 3 is 3. Greatest integer of 3 is 3. So we can say that any number from 2 up to 3, 2 से लेकर 3 तक जितने भी नंबर्स हैं, सबका ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर क्या है बेटा? 2. Small. These numbers 0, 1, 2, 2, these numbers are smaller than these numbers. जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर नंबर्स हैं उससे ज़्यादा स्मॉल है या इक्वल है, या क्या है? स्मॉल है या इक्वल. Now we can say that any number between 1 and 2, then greatest integer is 1. कोई भी नंबर बेटा 0 और 1 के बीच में है, greatest integer is 0. अब यहाँ पे any number lies between -1 and 0. Any number lies between -1 and 0, then greatest integer is -1. Any number lies between -2 and -1. कोई भी नंबर बेटा यहाँ पे -2 और -1 के बीच में, greatest integer is -2, because when we have take value to the left hand side. 2, 3 take 2, 1, 2 take 1, from 0 to 1 take 0, -1 to 0 take -1. So this is the greatest integer function. For example, -9.5 greatest integer is -10, because -10 is less than -9.5. -10 is less than -9.5. -10.7 greatest integer is -11. Greatest integer is -11. Now we discuss about the domain and range. Domain and range. This is a set of real numbers. This is also set of real numbers, and this is function f from R to R. Function f is greatest integer x. Greatest integer x is defined for every real number. आप किसी भी रियल नंबर का ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Therefore, domain is equal to all real numbers. All real numbers. And range means what is the image? Range means image. And range of this function is only integers. Only integers z. Range is z. This is greatest integer. Domain is every real domain. What is domain? Domain is the values of x for which function is defined. For which function is defined. Domain क्या होता है बेटा? x की वो वैल्यूज जिसके लिए फंक्शन आपका डिफाइन हो जाए. क्लियर? Now we discuss another function, signum function. Next function is a signum function. signum. Signum function. A function f from R to R is said to be signum function. Signum function if f of x is equal to 1 if x greater than 1, 0 if x equal to 0, -1 if x less than 1. देखिए यहाँ पे अगर आप यहाँ पे if we take x is greater than 1 is 0 or less than 0. If we take value of x greater than 0, then fx is 1. Value of fx is 1. If we take x 0, then value of fx is 0. And if we take x is less than 0, f of x is -1. For example, let this is the number line minus infinity to infinity. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinite. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 up to infinite. 0 पे वैल्यू क्या है fx की 0. एट x इक्वल टू 0, एग्जैक्ट 0 पे fx की वैल्यू क्या है 0. और 0 से ग्रेटर कितने भी नंबर है इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स, देन वैल्यू इज 1. when x greater than 0, fx की वैल्यू क्या है 1. when x less than 0, fx is -1. Negative numbers means we can say that image of 0 is 0. Image of 0 is 0 and image of all positive numbers is 1. Image of all positive numbers is 1 and image of all negative numbers is -1. Therefore, this function, this real number, this is also real number. This function is f. If we discuss some images, image of 1 is 1 because 1 is positive. Image of 2 is also 1. Image of 5 is 1. Image of 100 is 1. Image of 0 is 0. 0 की इमेज क्या है बेटा 0. नेगेटिव नंबर्स की इमेज -1. -1 की इमेज -1. -3 की इमेज -1. -4 की इमेज -1. -17 की इमेज -1. So only 3 elements are the images. 1, 0 and -1 are the images. Therefore, domain of f is real numbers. Domain of f is real numbers, and range is only 3 elements, 1 0 minus 1, 1 0 minus 1. This is the range. This is the range. This is your signum function. Only 3 elements are imaged. Now we start exercise 2.3.